I'm at Kanteleshwari, which is below my building and opposite small garden. And I had upma shira mix and it's so amazing, so good, so fresh. I can't tell you, I'm just enjoying every bit of it. It's fantastic. See how they have served the shira. I finished the upma. Chutney for the upma, 2 spoons on a banana plate. So whenever things are in a banana plate, you'll see in South Indian restaurant they give it in a banana plate. So the flavor of the food really enhances. A good Udupi restaurant, a good South Indian restaurant always serve food in a banana leaf. And the shira is outstanding. The place is called Kanteleshwari. Wait 1 minute, I'll show you. मेरे सामने Kunti Park है. That's where Dad is. And see this. It's an amazing experience. I'm enjoying this like anything, and I'm eating it with my hand. Roasted kajus, kishmish. Really nice. Guys, even I was talking to the server ना जो बहुत सालों से है यहाँ पे, उन्होंने भी मुझे यही कहा कि सुबह सुबह का जो टेस्ट रहता ना वो सुबह सुबह का ही इसी अच्छा लगा आपको हाथ से खाते हुए देख के या ऐसे मज़ा आ जाता है हाथ से खाने. सो आई हैव ऑल आई एम सॉरी आई एम एन इंडियन एंड these are our food habits. So I eat my Indian food with my hand, and even my biryanis I always eat with my hand. Anything rice based, however the restaurant is, I will always eat it with my hands because that's the way you eat rice, and I enjoy it. Yeah, of course noodles you can't eat, you can eat with your hand, but it's practically embarrassing. But Indian food is hand. So I'm literally enjoying this banana leaf thing. Especially the combination. It's not just upma and it's not just this. So it's like a treat for myself. Nice. The sweet and the savory. The sweet is not like too much of ghee or something. It is perfect. जैसे I would love to have it ना वैसे. Perfect. अगर मैं अपने घर में शीरा बनाती तो perfectly ऐसे बनता. I'm very happy with it. So you can take this as a food review. I don't know, maybe if I'll have chai or something, I'll have a small cutting chai. छोटे से कप में मिलती है. I'll have that cutting chai and I'll buzz out. I don't want to spoil the taste. This is the way you eat Indian food. And you should not be feeling shy. I would say even if you have to make your fingers messy and just eat it. So I'm really happy about it, and that's it. It's a happy day. And I'm happy that others it gets too crowded, especially in lunchtime. There's waiting period because this is the only value for money and veg restaurant. This and Bharti, so they're jam packed. It's on a on the higher end because the kind of services, in the sense the kind of food quality it is, and it's very well known. So it's jam packed for lunch and dinner and all the time. It is jam packed. Now it is little okay in the morning. They start at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock there are hardly any crowd. I have come here on Sundays at 8 o'clock or something. Very rarely, because it's just below my home, so I should not think much about this. Very rarely I'm eating from here, but now it depends upon the chef also, how they make stuff. Now the same thing you will eat it tomorrow, day after, you will not get the same flavor, same taste. So you have to understand, sometimes the chefs also change, sometimes their mood is not good enough, but overall 10. I give this 10 out of 10 according to me. So anybody who's watching this, I'll just have my chai. छोटी वाली चाय. Ha ha. Half, half. I'll go and wash my hands because the way when you're giving it back,